Howdy folks, I just thought I'd give another update on the ESP32 mesh for my signaling. Here I have the latest iteration of the remote node. I've added a configurable node ID instead of using the rotary switch. This will allow you to set nodes from 0 to 254 with a couple of push buttons, which I don't have and I'm waiting for. But right now I've got it set for node 0, and you can see that it's just pinging back and forth with little X's that are alternating. This is node 0, so it will be the first 12 input, or first 12 output pins and 4 input pins for the S-Mini on the BigNode. If we go over here, we can see I have the first two set up in JMRI as 2 lights. Right now they are both off. If we look at the display about what's being shown, you can see that the node, this is the receive window from the node, that it's receiving 8 zeros right now. If I go turn these two on, we can now see that those two are receiving 1 and 1, which means the first 2 bits are on now. And if we go back over here, we can see on the display that the first 2 bits are on. If I go back over to JMRI on this window over here and turn that one off, we can see it shuts down. Turn that one off, and then I turn that one back on, and then I turn the other one back on, and then back off again. So it's got a right now it has a 1 second refresh time. After I get this all sussed out and working and get the protocol squashed as much as I can, I will probably up that to half a second or a quarter of a second. But it's a fairly decent response time right now. Let's go back and look at the output window. You can see that the message is to the node ID 0, and those are the pins. This is in a JSON format. I'm using JSON for my messaging right now just so I can be human readable. It will probably stay like this. It doesn't seem to be causing a problem. These are small enough data packets, and the refresh rate is not that bad. So anyways, that's where I am right now. Like I said, I'm waiting for some push button, PCB push buttons, and some more OLED displays from AliExpress. They're coming from China, so they take God knows how long, anywhere from a week to a month. I will also start working on a PCB using Eagle that will allow you to plug in one of these EasySBC ESP32 boards, one of the nodes, 2 push buttons, and I will probably use spade terminals for the signal connection. At least that's my current theory. I may end up using soldered on nuts with a short bolt, the way that Bruce Chubb does on his CMRI boards, but I think spade terminals will probably work better for me. Anyways, that's where I am right now. Thanks for watching.